Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to enable developer mode on your device? In this video, I will show you how to enable this feature on your iPhone. Let's go. First, open Settings and then navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom page, tap on Developer Mode and toggle on the designated switch. Once enabled, you need to reboot your device in order to apply the recent changes. Upon restart, confirm the Developer Mode activation once again and provide your device passcode when prompted. However, if you don't see the Developer Mode configuration within the Settings page, click on the tag in the top right corner and watch another of my videos explaining how to fix this issue on your iPhone. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.